Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the lava boosted zone in Fish It game of Roblox Kohana Expansion update. Okay, as you can see here guys, in the Kohana Expansion update, there will be Kohana event, and every 4 hours Kohana erupts in creating temporary lava boosted zone. And I'm waiting for the volcano eruption. Okay, as you can see the countdown, and after the volcano eruption happen, you can immediately find the lava boosted zone. Okay, and the volcano has just erupted, and then of course you need to go to the Kohana island first, and you will be able to find the lava boosted zone around the island. Don't forget to prepare your boat because it's on the water. Okay, it's right there, the magma boost. Okay, and wait guys, so let me spawn my boat. Okay, and let's go to the zone. Okay, this is the zone, and then you can fish here guys. This zone is for boosting luck. Okay, let me just go to this zone, and then you can also find another zone. There will be a zone for boosting mutation. There are a lot of zones, and they will disappear after certain times. Okay, for luck, and I see the one for the mutation boost. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the lava boosted zone in Fish 8 game of Roblox Kohana Expansion update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!